So my name is Christian Masters. I did the Global Crime, Justice, and Security program, and I'm from, most recently, Nashville, Tennessee. Your postgraduate degree is a financial investment, so I figured I might as well go somewhere where I'd have the opportunity to live in a place that I've never lived before and travel a bit, and you really can do that at Edinburgh without sacrificing academic rigor. You sort of get the best of both worlds. So really the first semester it was getting kind of a background on a bunch of different types of crime and institutions and policies, and then the next semester I started looking a lot more at subjects like violence against women. So I was looking at domestic violence, and I had the flexibility within each class, even though they were very different kinds of classes. One was like a media and crime, another was specific to gender and crime, another was more theoretical criminology, but within each of those classes I was able to still look at things like domestic violence, and so I'd have a sort of sociological, psychological background to looking at domestic violence. I was also looking at in some classes comparative law, so a more international perspective of domestic violence. I was looking at media, so how domestic violence is represented in news and television and also forms of entertainment, and talked about culturally. Yeah, so it was just a really great opportunity. Yeah, I really loved Edinburgh. It didn't disappoint. Really, my wife and I are hoping on staying a little bit longer. Yeah, like I said, it's a really easy city to get to know, just because it's we live sort of on the west side of town, but the longest walk we'll ever have to do is 45 minutes to get somewhere, and it was a 25-minute walk to get to school. I lost weight, just so much more walking, and it was lovely not coming from the States where you really have to drive everywhere. It's just a different quality of life, and everything's just right outside your front door.